How to create and import digital signatures in a PDF. Click Tools, then select Form. Click the Digital Signature button in the top editing bar. Draw a signature box where you want to sign, then double-click it. In the right toolbar, you can set the signature box name, visibility, border color, text, and more. Click Close to exit form mode. Click the signature box and select Create. Fill in your name and personal information. Choose where to save the file and set a password to protect your signature. Then click Sign to sign the document. Click the signature to view the signature certificate. You can also import an existing signature. Choose Import here to upload your digital signature, enter your password and click Save to sign successfully. Now download UPDF for free to give it a try.